And so I was like, how?
Yo, your breath kind of hot.
Oh, wow, really?
I don't care. That was dramatic.
Let me show you how to make fake vomit for theater, film, and other creative projects.
First, you'll need a cup, 2 crackers, about 1/4 of a cup of water, and a popsicle stick or any mixing tool. First, take your cup and the 2 crackers. Break them up into tiny pieces and place them in the cup. Just like this. Get about 1/4 of a cup of water and pour it into the cup. Then mix them together so they're well combined. When combined, it should appear thick and clumpy. If you want the fake vomit to appear more runny, add more water. And if you want it to be thicker in texture, add more crackers to the mix. And that's how you make fake vomit. What would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.